Two truths and a lie, but with math. Can you spot the fake? First fact, every polygon can be triangulated, meaning completely divided into triangles only. You don't even need to add extra vertices. Second fact, take the midpoints of a polygon's edges and connect them all up. This new polygon will always have less area than the original. Just like the first fact, this is true for every polygon, convex or concave. Third fact, let's say I have a pile of coins and you have the same pile, but with one extra coin. Now if we both flip all of our coins, the probability that you get more heads than me is exactly 1/2. Pause now to think about which fact is false. The first fact is true. Every polygon has at least one ear, which is a vertex that sort of sticks out of the polygon like an actual ear. You can create a triangle with the ear and the two vertices neighboring it. This will leave you with another polygon and you can repeat the process until you've triangulated the whole thing. The third fact is also true. Notice that if you replace heads with tails, the question is still basically the same. Now notice that saying more tails is the same thing as saying less or equal heads, since if you have a lot of tails, you'll only have a few heads. So now we know more heads and less or equal heads have the same chance of happening, and since you must have one or the other, the probability for both is 1/2. This means the second fact is false. The trick is to use a thin polygon to minimize the original area while still spacing out consecutive vertices so that the midpoints are far enough apart.